This is a final video to fix Steam Deck bootloop issues that keep your device stuck restarting again and again. And if your Steam Deck never reaches a home screen, this is for you. Are you seeing the logo appear, disappear, and repeat with no way to enter gaming mode? This problem happens because of a bad update, broken system files, full storage, or a plugin that crashes SteamOS during startup. When SteamOS fails one, check it restarts and gets trapped in a loop, many fixes on YouTube or social media feel scary and hard to follow. They ask you to reinstall everything, type long commands, or risk losing your games and saves. So here's my secret easy trick that actually works. You boot once into the safe recovery path and disable the one thing that causes the loop instead of wiping the whole system. This stops the restart cycle and lets SteamOS load normally again. It takes only a few minutes and keeps your data safe. I tested this fix on real bootloop cases, and it works even after system updates. This is why Rexis focuses on simple fixes that real Steam Deck users can trust. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that shows exactly how to fix Steam Deck bootloop issues safely, comment below and I will make the full guide for you on Rexis.